Art in Human Presence. Mold and Paint Jungle Animal Color Kit by FEVI. It's for children above the age of 5 years. It's for rupees 200. The packet contains plaster of Paris, animal molds, Rangila terra colors, paintbrush, blunt pen knife, popsicle sticks, rubberized magnet sheet, glue, measuring cup, and an instruction manual. Here are all our contents. Take a vessel, pour 2.5 cups of water, add 5 cups of POP in it. Take a popsicle, mix it well, make it a little tornado. Pour the mixture into animal molds. Whee! Here it goes. Let it dry overnight. We checked them, but they were not dry, so we are drying them with the help of our hair dryer. When they dry, pop them out from the molds. Here comes our elephant. Do the same with all the animals. Cut the excess with the help of blunt knife. Now let's add some color to our animals. Take a red dip paint dip, right? Take some red color. Add some blue in it. Let's make purple color for our hippo. Let's start painting. squeeze some Fevicol and use paintbrush to paint a layer of Fevicol onto the hippo. To give it shine and sheen. Take one of the rubberized magnet sheet, apply glue on the back side and stick it on the backside of animals to make it a fridge magnet. All our beautiful animals are ready. Hippo, teddy bear, frog, monkey, elephant and lion. Here we tried them on our fridge. It's looking very beautiful and they are now fridge magnets. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon, like the video and share it with all your friends.